PcVue presents the all-in-one solution for EV charging management system, giving access to a wide range of services for all EV stakeholders, and providing the best user experience for EV charging from operations to drivers. PcVue Platform is a software solution to optimize and control your EV charging stations while the stations keep under control. PcVue Platform delivers EV charging services to users with an efficient system to any brand of equipment. PcVue enhances team efficiency to keep assets operational while improve its communication. PcVue improves your ROI with a long-term solution, scalable and able to evolve with minimum additional cost, and optimize your total cost of ownership. PcVue allows smart assistance, makes charging easier for vehicle drivers, and optimize the fleet scheduling system. PcVue enables remote monitoring of charging infrastructure so that any faults that occur can be detected and eliminated as quickly as possible. PcVue Platform is open and easy to deploy, connecting any energy sources to fit various user needs 24/7. Available now. Contact your sales representative.